Another day, another English lesson. Expressing contrast, even though and despite.
Hi everyone, today, we're going to learn about two useful expressions, even though and despite. These phrases help us show contrast, which means they help us talk about two ideas that seem opposite or surprising. Let's take a look. We use even though to connect two ideas. One idea is unexpected because of the other. In grammar, even though is a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions connect two clauses. Examples: even though it was raining, we went to the park. Here, it's surprising that we went to the park because it was raining. But we did it anyway. Here's another example. He bought the phone even though it was expensive. The high price didn't stop him. Remember, after even though, we use a clause, which is a complete sentence. Despite also shows contrast. Example: despite the snow, we went to the beach. Again, it's surprising that we went to the beach in the snow. But we did. Remember, in grammar, despite is a preposition. After despite, we use a noun or a phrase, not a clause or full sentence. Here's another example. We arrived on time despite the heavy traffic. It's surprising to arrive on time when the traffic is heavy. Key differences. Even though plus full sentence, for example, even though it was raining. Despite plus noun or phrase, for example, despite the rain. Now, watch and complete the sentences with even though or despite. One. Despite the heavy bags, he walked quickly through the airport. Two. He gave the man money even though they were strangers. Three. Despite the bad reviews online, the restaurant was full. Four. She gave a great presentation despite her shyness. Five. Even though he doesn't like vegetables, he ate the salad. Six. We watched until the end even though the movie was long. Seven. Despite the baby moving, the father slept peacefully. Eight. She didn't pass the test even though she studied hard. Nine. Even though it was late, they stayed at the amusement park. 10. He found time to exercise despite his busy schedule. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.